Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today my daughter is here, and that's because we're doing an unboxing that centers around something that she likes. Now, Outdoortide is a new company. I haven't gotten anything from them before, and they wanted to know if they could send me something over for review. And since this was something that she is interested in, I was thrilled to say yes. So
I can't wait to see what it is.
Now, they gave me a few different options, and I asked her what she wanted, and she said she wanted it to be a surprise. She wanted me to pick for her. So this is going to be a surprise for her. All right. Here's the first
something
one.
in the bottom.
There is. Do you want to start with that one?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to hold it up for them?
Yeah, where do I open it at?
You can show it to them in the package too first, so that, see if they can guess what it is. All right, now let's go ahead and
I think I know which one it is.
Now, she did see what some of the options were, so that's why she can guess. There's usually a little area that you can
looking for that.
Lift up. So
Don't think this one.
Yeah,
has...
there it is, right, right here.
Okay.
And whoop, there we go. All right. Try not to mess anything up when I pull it out.
So pretty.
Now, I think we are probably going to have to put you into the downward view so that you can see everything. All right. Oh, that's very pretty.
Here's all the beads. I wonder if it's like attached.
So if you didn't guess it yet, this is diamond painting. And she has gotten really into diamond painting. She's completed a couple of them, which we are going to show on my next floss tube, because I figured that would be a good one to share that. But this will be her second big project.
It's so big.
Wow. Okay. Now we've got a honeybee. I'm going to zoom you in some. And we're also going to take a look at, I believe these are called drills. We're going to look at those. And wow, those are really pretty. I like the pink ones. The blue are pretty too, though.
I like the blue and the black ones.
The blue and the black?
Yeah, there's also these long ones. I don't know how you're supposed to pick those up with this. That's like really
You might have to use tweezers. I've got some tweezers you can use.
I have tweezers in my thing too.
Oh, okay. Well then, I guess you're all set. Try to make sure that I've got this in frame. I keep moving a little bit out of focus, I think. Let's see. There we go. I think you can see them there. Wow, these are really pretty. They're kind of rainbowy. And then we've got some gold colored round ones.
There's usually some left over of them whenever we use them. So there's probably going to be leftover of these ones. That would be good. Like you like the blue ones could go on your, you know.
Oh, my blue rotary cutter?
Yeah, your blue rotary cutter that you're going to do.
I bet you those iridescent ones are going to go on the wings some because they're kind of rainbowy. I bet you they'd go there.
Yeah, because it's like sweet and this is 8.
8? So we got 8 colors? Is that what you're saying?
No, this says 8. So that means there should be one that's...
So it looks like we got 4 specialty drills. And then we've got 6 of the regular round drills. Very cool. I think this is going to be beautiful.
It feels so cool when before and especially after, because like after you get done doing them, they're like really cool and they feel really nice.
Now this is a partial cover. It's not a full. as you can see, it's not like end to end for the drills. This is partial. But
I have to come right here.
yep, and you've got all of your codes there on the side.
It
looks like they gave you 2 different areas.
Yeah,
with
it's going to be on
codes.
the wing. No, those are the same because on the diamond bead painting things, they show the same things on either side. So if you're like working down here, you can look over here. And if you're working in this corner, then you can see it.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And this is 30 centimeters squared.
8
And
is the wings, which means it's
I'm going to measure this on the side of the map to figure out what the inside. So it looks like the actual image itself is 10 inches square.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah. That should be, I think you could find a frame for that fairly easily.
There's going to be some of those, these here. Turn off on the flower right here.
Oh yeah.
Because 8 is C, so it will be these.
I think this
for
is gonna
the
be
rainbow
really
one.
And you've also got a little bit of a shimmer to that background as well. So
it's like sparkly.
Since it's a partial, that shimmer will kind of show still. And it is a little bit folded up, but if we lay this out as she works on it, it should flatten out. That was the case with the other one that she had as well.
Yeah, that one was really fun. Got it done in 6 days. It was gigantic.
All right. Oh, and of course you get your little kit that comes with the drill holder. I'm not sure what you call that. And you
with
have
the bead
the
holder.
Bead holder.
Yeah.
And you've got the pen, and you've got a little piece of wax to pick up your beads with.
You can like take the pen and then like put a hole in the wax with the pen on this side, and then you can pick up the beads. But you can't do it without having wax inside because it won't stick. Can't wait to see this one.
All right. Do you want to open it?
Sure.
All right.
I'm
going to make sure we're zoomed out enough to where they can see it.
I think it's upside down.
It might be. Oh, yeah. Definitely was.
It's a clock. I love it.
So this kit comes with everything that you need in order to put the clock together. And you've got all the little hands and the washers and everything. And that's all in here with your beading kit. So you got your pen and your tray and your wax. And then
I already said it.
I see. And then you also have the little battery mechanism motor.
Look how pretty it is. Okay.
That is very pretty. Wow.
I love the little cardinals on top.
And what does it say?
Life is like a beautiful song.
Oh, that's nice. I wonder if it will make bird sounds.
That would be cool.
Her great grandma has a clock that has birds on it, and when it reaches the hour, it has bird sounds to it.
Yeah.
So that would be really cool if it did it the same way.
I like this little guy. So cute.
And it also has a little pedestal that it sits on top of. So
just gotta go like
yep, just like that.
Hmm.
You could probably, it looks a little wobbly in there, so I would say, glue it into place with some strong type of glue.
Plus it would be like falling over if it had this attached to it already, because
I don't think it'll fall over if you glue it into place, though. I think it'd be okay. All right.
It's so pretty.
It is beautiful.
I can't wait to do these.
And then we'll have a second project when you get done with it to put together the clock.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be fun.
That will be really fun.
All right.
I wonder if it's in a big line like this one was. Really
They do
long.
tend to be. Go ahead and set that one aside so we don't get it mixed up with the ones for this. Oh yeah, it is. It's all
This
connected
one's got
again.
the weird shaped beads too.
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see these beads a little bit better. Those reds are very beautiful.
There's like a piece of metal in this one. See right there.
Yeah, just like an extra piece of the bead.
Yeah.
Actually, here, I'm gonna turn you around the other way so that you can see it, because this has the numbers on the side, kind of obscures your view. So we've got our specialty ones, these pretty golds. And this is like an AB kind of finish on this because it's kind of rainbowy as well. We've got these blue ones. Oh, I like those. Again, we got more iridescent ones.
They're not the same size this time though. They're like
Yeah,
a little bit different.
They are.
Size.
And there are 4 of these specialty ones. And then we've got our normal round ones. Oh wow, they gave you a lot of that color. You're gonna need a lot of the black, huh? Or gray.
Well, there is lots of gray on these birds. Oh, I love how cute they all look.
These are pretty too. Oh, these are beautiful.
I like the green ones and these.
Oh yeah,
the
green and the brown.
The green, the red, and the brown all together looks like dragon scales.
I could see that. I think these 4, the blue, the brown, the green, and the red, are all really beautiful.
When I see all of those together,
honestly, they're all really beautiful.
When I see all of these ones together right here, then you know that game that has the little like half marbles that you get around? Yeah, that's what it reminds me of, because that's like the colors of them.
And it looks like there are 8 of these normal drills. So 8 normal ones and 4 specialty ones.
Can we do this?
That is very
so
exciting.
Pretty.
I can't wait to see how it looks when you get done. All right, let's go back up to our faces. All right, so that is what Outdoor Tide sent us. I am going to link them down below along with both of these items. And they did give me a discount code for you guys as well. It is WILD10. So check them out. Again, I don't get anything for this. It is just for you guys to save a little bit of money. So feel free to use it or not, but save yourself some money.
Look how big it is compared to my head.
If you guys want to see her updated progress on this when she finishes them, let us know in the comments and we'll squeeze her into a floss tube video so that she can share her work as well. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.
Bye.